हाय बरखा, वेलकम टू हिंदी रश। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बिल्कुल सडनली ट्रेंड हो रही है बरखा सिंह। इसकी कितनी खुशी है और कितना कैसे देख रही हैं आप खुद इस चीज को?
आप देखो ना, look at the smile on my face, उतनी खुशी है। I mean, obviously, as an actor, it's always, I think, the biggest compliment just being recognized and people noticing and appreciating your work. तो
Right.
मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ। मैं बड़ी खुश।
एंड बरखा, टॉकिंग अबाउट द जर्नी, बहुत सारे लोग आपको अब पहचानने लगे हैं। एक पता नहीं, एक टाइम आ गया है कि हाँ अपना टाइम आ गया टाइप्स, ऐसी वाली फीलिंग आ रही है आपको?
नहीं, I wouldn't still call this अपना टाइम आ गया, क्योंकि अभी थोड़ा और कुछ करना है धमाकेदार, फिर मैं बोलूंगी कि अपना टाइम आ गया। अभी अपना टाइम आ रहा है।
Okay. It's in process.
It's in process. I have a very long way to go, but अभी उसी डायरेक्शन में हूँ मैं, तो आ रहा है अपना टाइम। दिख रहा है थोड़ा दूर, पर आ रहा है वो।
ओके। एंड बरखा, हम लोग ने बहुत कुछ पढ़ा, जैसे आपने बताया कि लोग बहुत टाइम तक आपको करीना 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 ही कर रहे थे, लेकिन सच में जब आपने उसे प्ले किया था, उस रोल को प्ले किया था, तब आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था? क्योंकि आप बहुत छोटी भी थी ऑफ कोर्स, लेकिन फिर भी क्या चल रहा था?
So I'll tell you something. मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों सब लोग इतना बड़ा इसका ये बना रहे हैं, because it really wasn't that big a role. Nor do people say कि अरे you're that child. ऐसे नहीं हुआ है। Hi, everyone thinks कि मैं बहुत फेमस, बहुत बड़ी चाइल्ड एक्टर थी जो सब जानते थे। कोई नहीं जानता था। मैं मस्ती करती थी। मैंने कुछ एड्स किए थे समर वेकेशन में, सैटरडे संडे में, एंड दिस फिल्म जस्ट हैपेंड। आई डिड ऑडिशन फॉर इट, बट तो ऐसी हंसी मजाक में, मस्ती में किया। इट्स लाइक अ स्मॉल 5-minute कैरेक्टर इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द फिल्म, क्योंकि उसके बाद तो एक्चुअली ऋतिक रानी एंड करीना they came and they started doing the film. And in fact, very funnily, it's not कि लोग बोलते हैं कि oh, you were that child. People say, "Acha, you were that child." So people recognize me more for my work now than they did when I was, younger. And the only reason that people even remember that thing I did when I was younger is because of my work now. But yeah, I mean, उस time, to answer your question, उस time जब मैं कर रही थी, कुछ नहीं सोचा था मैंने. Like, I was that child. I was that child who loved performing. Like, आप बोल दो बेटा poem सुनाओ, मैं खड़ी होके सुना देती थी poem. So I was a child who just wanted a mauka to come and like be that child who has everyone's attention and everything. And like when we got to know of this film audition, I was not very old. I think it was in the summer vacation of 4th to 5th standard or 3rd to 4th standard, one of them. And yeah, it just happened. And at that time, I was just happy कि wow, मैं मनाली में शूट कर रही हूँ. Wow, ऋतिक रोशन. Wow, करीना कपूर. I never thought कि like ये होने वाला है, वो होने वाला है. Because that time I didn't even think I'm going to be an actor.
Right.
The choice to do acting professionally only happened like after I finished studying and everything.
So बरखा, जब ऋतिक रोशन और करीना कपूर, ये लोग बहुत ही हाई टाइम था उन लोगों का उस टाइम पर, ऑफ कोर्स अभी भी है, मतलब लोग मर रहे हैं उनके लिए, उनके साथ काम करने के लिए, लेकिन वो एक जो टाइम था और आपकी जो एज थी, उस एज में हम लोग मर रहे थे कि ऋतिक रोशन को देखने मिल रहा है, करीना कपूर। तो क्या ऐसी ही फीलिंग लेकर आप भी गई थी वहां पर, और कैसा रहा?
Oh yeah, I was very excited. And yeah, it was like a great, it was a very sweet, it was a very few days of shoot, but and it's been a very long time, but like I remember being very excited and very happy, like wow.
And then you कहीं ऐसे शो ऑफ किया कि अरे स्कूल में थोड़ा सा एक भाव मिलने लग गया टाइप्स, ऐसा कुछ?
Not really. Again, no, because मैंने इतना कुछ वो out of the blue इतना बड़ा कुछ किया नहीं था कि मेरे को उसके लिए स्कूल में भाव मिले,
तो बरखा, क्या अभी लगता है कि एक्टिंग करना, मतलब उस टाइम पे इतनी शुरू से स्टार्ट भी कर देना, भले वो एक बहुत ही छोटा सा स्टेप था, लेकिन आपको लगता है कि आपने एक सही कदम उठाया? क्योंकि बहुत टाइम बाद में लोग, हम जो होते हैं, आप जैसे बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स हैं आपके, हमारे जैसे, जो सोचते हैं आने वाले टाइम पे नहीं ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, कुछ और कर लेती तो ज्यादा अच्छा लगता था, ऐसा कुछ आपके दिमाग में आता है कभी?
Not at all. In fact, every day I wake up and I thank my stars ki thank God you did this, Barkha. क्योंकि after graduating from college, campus placements होते हैं, तो I got placed in a corporate job. मेरे को मिल गई थी, मेरे को offer letter आ गया था, हाथ में मेरे offer letter था, and on the same day I also got confirmed for a television show. Which is not even what I'm doing anymore. I'm not even doing television anymore. But that I think was one of the toughest decisions of my life. I was like, यार ये रखी corporate job साथ में है, हाथ में है, और ये एक show ये भी हाथ में है. And then for some reason, I think I just followed my heart, and I told you, like, I loved performing, and I love performing. Like it's one of those things that just make me roll. Like कुछ लोगों के लिए writing होती है, वो कुछ लोगों के लिए गाना होता है. For me, it's performing. तो I was like, ठीक है ना यार, like take it, देखते हैं क्या होता है. और तब से अभी तक मैं यही देखती हूँ कि करते हैं ना यार, देखते हैं क्या होता है. So even when I started creating content and when I started my YouTube channel, that was also with the same mentality. करते हैं ना यार, देखते हैं क्या होता है. So I think not at all. I am very, very, very happy with the choice I made and with the path I'm on and with the things I want to do. बहुत मेहनत है, but I think I'm prepared to do that because I love it so much.
And बरखा, आपके पेरेंट्स कितने रेडी थे आपके इस डिसीजन को लेकर, और कैसे रिएक्शन थे उनके भी?
तो no one from my family is in the industry. तो उनके लिए बहुत new था, like this whole even the idea of me saying कि I want to act and कुछ भी, like not necessarily कि ये वो, I just want to perform. I want to be an actor. I want to be a performer. And I think they were okay with it because they saw how much I loved it. And also मैंने ये जो step लिया, this was after I finished my education. मेरी family में सब थोड़े ज़्यादा academically inclined हैं, तो पढ़ाई लिखाई मैंने सब कर ली. I finished my masters, ये वो सब किया. That's when I decided. So I think my parents were very supportive of it because they knew that I have my education to back me up, and just in case things don't go as planned, I have like a very, very strong plan B. So I think, I had to kind of prove myself in other field, like in a more job setting, in a more traditional, conventional setting to my parents, for them to be fully 100% and happily on board with my decision to become an actor. But now everyone's happy.
And Barkha, with this strong plan B, कहीं throughout the journey आपको कभी भी लगा कि plan B एक बार switch करके देख सकती हूँ, एक बार try कर सकती हूँ, ऐसा कुछ कहीं कोई एक point पे?
No. Touchwood, thankfully I've been blessed. अभी तक ऐसा नहीं लगा है कि I should have done something else, or I should step back, or I should discontinue this. No. I mean, this industry has its own set of struggles and it has its own set of ups and downs. And in fact, I don't know where I heard this thing very recently, but I just can't remember where I heard it, but it was that the only difference, that something along the lines of that there is no difference between winning and not giving up. So I think just this, like things like this, when I hear these quotes and when I hear these things, it just keeps you motivated because how do you know that the other side of plan B is going to be easy?
Right.
That's never going to be easy. Nothing is easy in life. It's just that every profession has its own set of ups and downs and own set of struggle, and you should make your peace with it, and you should believe in yourself and just go for it. और फिर देखा जाएगा.
तो और बरखा, आपने जब YouTube चैनल शुरू किया था, उसमें बहुत सारे तरह के वीडियोस हैं, आपके स्किन केयर के भी हैं, नए प्रोडक्ट यूज करने के, घूमने की भी बहुत सारी हैं, और ट्रैवलिंग भी आपने बहुत किया है, लेकिन बहुत टाइम से उस पर कोई वीडियो नहीं गया है. So is there कोई reason है इसके पीछे?
I'll tell you. Yeah, I'll tell you. So mainly, as you said, that बहुत सारा travel content है मेरे YouTube पे, and it's mainly a travel page जहाँ मैं अपने सारे, जब भी मैं travel करती हूँ, I document it, edit it, and put it up. Whether it's a work trip, whether it's a family holiday, whether it's a personal solo trip, or whatever. So because my page is mainly dedicated to travel, and I want to keep it that way. एक साल से मैंने कुछ ज्यादा उस पे डाला नहीं है, with the exception of my last trip, which was to Egypt, which was just before the lockdown last year, mainly for two reasons. One, I don't want to put up any other content because travel is something that's very close to my heart, and most of my audience on my YouTube channel are there because of the travel content. And
Right.
secondly, I do have old footage. मतलब मेरे पास है मेरे पुराने trips की footage है मेरे पास सब. But I don't think the market sentiment is such अभी कि आपको travel videos डालने चाहिए, especially at a time where we are only telling people stay home, stay home, stay home. So I mean, it didn't feel right because as a creator, I think आपकी एक responsibility भी रहती है because you're reaching out to so many people. And this time just didn't feel right to mobilize my YouTube channel as a travel page. But that being said, I have stayed very, very active on Instagram throughout. And I get the point that लोग अपने घर के अंदर confined हैं and they would like to, like see कुछ travel this thing. So I've been putting up old photos. I've been editing 1-minute travel videos. So like Paris का मैंने एक 1-minute video में डाला था. Spain मैंने 1-minute video में डाला था. So these snippets I keep doing. It's just that YouTube channel में it's not the correct market sentiment all the time अभी to do that.
एंड बरखा, गोइंग बैक टू योर जर्नी, जब आपने शुरुआत भी की थी, एज यू सेड, कोई भी आपके फैमिली में कहीं कोई इससे जुड़ा हुआ नहीं था. वाज इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू टेक योर स्टेप अहेड, और कहीं कोई डिफिकल्टीज आपको कहीं नजर आई है इसके बारे में? कभी आपने बात भी, हाँ, टेल मी व्हाट.
जो डिफिकल्टीज होंगी टू गेट टू नो पीपल, बिकॉज अगर आप एक इंडस्ट्री में, इट्स लाइक बीइंग थ्रोन इनटू द डीप एंड ऑफ अ पूल विदाउट अ फ्लोट. Basically वो मामला होता है because you don't know anyone. There are 100 people waiting to do exactly what you want to do, but आपको भी लगे रहना है और आपको भी करना है. So that was the main difficulty, just getting to know people, and more than that also finding my space. Because I have done everything from television to YouTube content to OTTs now to ads to everything. So I think just figuring out my space, what I enjoy doing the most, and being able to get to know more and more people in it, and developing my craft and myself as an actor. I think that was a difficult bit, but nothing ki like kuch hua about anything. It's just that I didn't have the opportunities to like to know people, to have existing relations. I didn't have that.
एंड बरखा, what was the happiest day, अगर आप कुछ रिमेम्बर करते पूरी करियर में, कि इस दिन आप सबसे ज्यादा खुश थी, उसको कैसे याद करती हैं?
I think
there must be many days actually.
Yeah, it's so difficult to put. I think every time I'm confirmed for a new project, which I really, really want to do, is a very happy day for me. So whether it is like 2 years ago when I played Pinky in Netflix's House Arrest,
right.
That was my first OTT gig. So I was just like, wow, I'm going to be on Netflix. And or even when I finally signed Murder Meri Jaan, that was also a very happy day for me because it was such a different character. Because I've grown up watching porn artists and everyone, and then finally being able to play a character for an entire show. Me, wow. So yeah, like that, like I'm very happy with a lot of things. I think it's very important to celebrate your little wins and your little joys.
एंड बरखा, बहुत सारी जो ऑडियंस है वो आपको एज अ वेब के थ्रू ही ज्यादा जानती है, मतलब मोस्टली लोग जो हैं वो आपको वेब के थ्रू ही जानते हैं. और अभी जो एक ऐसा जो टाइम आया है जब सब कुछ वेब पर ही है, तो इसे बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मानती है अपने लिए कि बड़े पर्दे ना सही, लेकिन वेब को जो इतना बड़ा बन गया है जो अपने आप में, उसको कितना ही अच्छा मानती है खुद के लिए?
I think the web space, and especially the fact that the web space is booming, I think ये बहुत अच्छा है, not just as an actor but also as a consumer of the content. मैंने सारे platform से subscribe किया क्योंकि मैं actually content देखती हूँ. And obviously there is another completely different charm of seeing yourself in a 70mm screen.
Of course.
But I think there's been some amazing content now that's being put out on web. Across the platforms, and which is not only reserved for the 70mm screen anymore. I think, yeah, so like to answer your question, I think we are in a very good time in terms of content, in terms of the content we can consume, the terms of content we can be in. And इतना बड़ा space है web space that हर किसी के लिए जो उनकी interest की चीज है उसके लिए content है. And there's some amazing content being made. Yeah, so yeah, like I am very happy, especially as you said, because most of my following comes from a web space, and वो ही बड़ा हो रहा है, तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
And Barkha, what kind of role you are looking for अभी, क्योंकि हमने आपको देखा है, तो आपका जो चेहरा भी है वो काफी ऐसे फनी और क्यूट और इस तरह के हमने बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे हैं, लेकिन आप किस तरह के रोल्स चाहती हैं कि आपको ऑफर हुए?
I want to do intense roles, yeah. Like I want to break out of this girl next door image. Not saying that I have a problem with it. I love it, and everyone loves it. Everyone loves the girl next door. Yeah. But yes. Like while doing more projects in that genre, because I feel that is something I do justice to. I also truly believe that I have a lot more to offer as an actor, and people haven't seen my grey side or intense side. And I think ये जो मेरा last show है Murder Meri Jaan, अगर आप उसके और episodes देखेंगे through the series, I have been able to tap into a more layered aspect of the character, and through Sonal of myself as well. तो बस यही hope है कि वो देख के people see that I can and I am capable of doing layered characters, something more intense, something more serious, something more hard hitting. वो मुझे करना है, सीरियसली करना है.
So on this note only, आपने कोई ऐसे दिमाग में रखा, मतलब कोई भी आपको कोई फेवरेट कैरेक्टर जो इंटेंस है, जो परफेक्ट है, जैसा आपको करना है, कौन है वो?
Beth Harmon, Queen's Gambit. आपने Queen's Gambit देखी है?
हाँ, of course.
अगर वैसा कैरेक्टर, वैसा शो, वैसा रोल मेरे को मिल गया, that will be the happiest day of my life.
Okay, I hope ऐसा मिले, और तो फिर हम एकदम थोड़ी इंटेंस टॉक करेंगे उसके साथ. Thank you
intense conversation करेंगे.
Thank you so much, Barkha. Thank you so much for talking with us.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.